On today's first look, we have a 1978 Ford F-250 Ranger extended crew cab 4x pickup truck. And the gentleman standing next to me, this is his car, David Spade.
That's right.
Well, this is your truck.
Yeah,
we are so used to you bringing us Chevelles and Dusters and
yeah.
a little.
I do have a Duster, yeah. Yeah, I've done that. I've bought some from here. I've sold some, and this is kind of the place to go. You're always great about it, so we get in and get out, but it's a lot of fun. It's just fun to come here and kick tires.
So, tell us about the truck. It's powered by a 400 cubic inch engine, but it's been hot rodded. It's got aluminum heads on it, cam, intake, carb, and a rebuilt transmission.
Yep.
Other than that,
dual fuel tanks.
Okay.
Front disc brakes, power steering. 4-inch suspension might be a little hefty for some of us under 6'2". That's part of the problem. So, cool truck, love it. It's one that right when I saw it, and let's be honest, it's 90% when you see it if it's cool. You know, good looking people win in this world, good looking cars and trucks. Right when you see it, I go silver, I don't see that a lot.
No.
And looks great. Crew cab is kind of fun, just different. But it's such a pig. It's such an oinking pig that when I'm in it, it's for somebody else. I need a guy.
It is not your normal car that we sell.
No, it is not.
It's not a Chevelle.
No, it's not a Chevelle. It's not a Mustang. It's not what I would normally look after. I usually get on that Mopar world. But these dudes that walk around Barrett-Jackson that look like Bert Kreischer and they got a hoodie on and a hat like this, that's who it's for. You need a dude. My brother drove it. He looked better in it. Almost gave it to him if I was a good guy. But I'll get him something else. I'll get him a Lime scooter. Overall, this is one of those cool trucks that you go around and take the Circle K, you know, down to AutoZone and just buzz around. But it's definitely a head turner, for sure. And it's not perfectly mint.
But you can drive it.
Right. It's great, and it looks super new, but and listen, I'm all for those patina, beat up cars, trucks. I think those are super cool. That's not this. This is just looking cool and you can drive it and you don't have to like just keep it in the garage, in the 18-car garage.
So it's got 17-inch wheels on it. It's got air conditioning. It is pretty well optioned, as you said earlier. It's got a 4-inch lift at a minimum. It sits up here.
The same as I have in my shoes. Yeah, I got them at a Tom Cruise yard sale. But yeah, this thing is sweet and it's gonna go fast. Oh my God, it's gonna go so fast. It'll be a one by hammer. So get in there, give it a whirl. And people say to me when they see me, Spade, what are you hauling? Don't worry about it. Don't worry what's in the back. Skateboards, I don't know, scripts, doesn't matter. It just looks cool. A few dead bodies, we'll take that out. No, it's all good. I just got my hat. I took the front seat out. I just stand in the front like this. It's like a cruise ship.
So when you bought it, they had already done all the upgrades to it?
They already made it cool, and that's really what you're getting is just something that's dead.
Check out the inside.
Oh.
Give it the whole Vanna White treatment.
Yeah, let's pole vault it in there. This is, yeah, it perfectly looks new. It's not like all ratty and beat up. Some of these are just as is. This is as is, but it's nice. It's not like...
No, it's pretty clean.
Yeah, you're not gonna walk out of there. Yeah, back is good. Looks nice in there. See, get your pals, hit the drive-in.
It's got aluminum cylinder heads on it. You know, it's got some nice upgrades to the engine, and it's got full power.
Yeah.
Power disc brakes up front. Drive nice?
Drives nice. You could throw some buddies in there, go to the drive-in, see Avatar. You know what? You put some people in the back. There's 10 people right there. Pony keg, Avatar, let's do it.
All right.
So thanks, and I hope you like it, whoever gets it.
Best part, David Spade's F-250 Ranger Crew Cab is selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale auction January 17th through the 25th. You can buy it right from David. You gonna sign the truck?
I'm still getting over the no reserve part. Yeah, I'll sign it. I'll sign something in there so it doesn't ruin it. I'll put it in the glove.
Yeah. Should live with the truck.
Yeah, I'll throw in a Joe Dirt shirt in there. Good
to
see you.
Thank you. It's always good to see you.